Best primetime drama series actor. Wow. It was funny because like all throughout my career, like people would criticize my acting. Paano mo daw mate? Sana hindi na naging actor. Sana puro pa cute, di ba? Ganyan. At least cute. Right? I am up here because I had a dream. And I didn't let anything or anyone stop me from chasing my dreams. There were a lot of sacrifices, a lot of challenges, a lot of failures along the way. Pero, nandito tayo ngayon. Diba? So, yun lang, just have to keep on going, keep on working hard. And sa lahat ng mga nandito, if you have a dream, please sacrifice for it. Please, favor lang. And don't let anything or anyone stop you from chasing your dreams. And learn every day and stay consistent. It won't be easy at the start, but if you keep on working hard, if you keep on studying, stay consistent, try to learn every day, 1% every day lang, pwede na. You'll get there. Thank you so much again to Platinum Star National Media Awards for recognizing my cuteness, for my hard work. Tapos, wait lang. Also thank you to GMA7 for believing in me, to my Spartan family. Miss Annette, Miss Joy Marcelo, Miss John Navarro, to my handler sub. Thank you so much. And to my co-manager Arnold De Garcia. Who else? Of course, the whole production team of Pulang Araw. Kila Miss Edwin, kila Miss Shelin, salamat sa pag-aantay sa akin kapag ako late. Sorry, pero ngayon okay naman ang paano, di ba? So, yun, and of course, to my director, Dominic Zapata, Direk, I super appreciate you. You know, like for me, si Direk, I think he is the epitome of a good leader. You know why? Because I feel like he leads everybody in a different way. The way I need it, probably the way Alden needs it. So super appreciate you, Direk. Kasi ako yung type na I need validation if I'm good. And in every scene, he would show me na David did a good job. You know, and super appreciate you, Direk. To Miss Suzette Ocalero, wow, thank you so much. Sa totoo lang, tinitext ko si Miss Suzette, sinasabi ko sa kanya na, Miss Suzette, sure ka ba sa role ko? Kasi napakahirap eh. Pero, di ba, nagtiwala siya sa akin, kaya super thank you. And love you. And, yun lang siguro na sa hindi mo ba makakalimutan? Oh yeah. O nga pala, sabihin natin last but not the least, thank you to Barbie for really, she inspired me to become a better actor. That's true. And, sino ba? Sa lahat ng kasama ko sa Pulang Araw, Eddie Quizon, Rochelle, Alden, of course, and Sanya Lopez. Kinabahan ako ng first scene natin dahil feeling ko, baka hindi ko kayanin. But wala nga eh. Well, you inspired me guys to become better, really. And of course, my acting coaches, from the very beginning. Miss Andrew Legas, thank you so much. Coach Norbs Portales, and yung sa Pulang Araw naman si Ruth, Coach Ruth. What's your last name again?
Alvarez.
Ha?
Alvarez.
Sorry. Ruth Alvarez. Thank you so much. Again, thank you so much. Thank you for listening. I'm sorry if I took time. And good night. Thank you.
Para tayo makakarating na yun. Uy!